She got the hiccups.
So stop worrying.
No.
See you 10 seconds time.
She's very awake.
Hi, Pooh. Why you got hiccups? I gotta scare you.
It didn't work, Daddy.
Cute little ball. Oh.
She's like, what you doing, Daddy?
I don't think she got him anymore. Hiccup.